In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated email campaign using ActiveCampaign step by step. To get started, navigate to activecampaign.com and sign in to your account. Once you've logged in, look for the automation section on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This is your hub for creating and managing all of your automated workflows. Next, it's time to create a new automation. Click on Create an Automation, then choose Start from Scratch and Continue. ActiveCampaign will prompt you to select a trigger. Triggers are essential as they determine when your automation should commence. Some typical triggers include when a contact subscribes to a list, submits a form, opens or clicks an email, or when a tag is added. For instance, if you're crafting a welcome series, consider using subscribes to a list as your starting trigger. Now let's dive into adding your first email to the automation. Click on the plus icon and select Send an Email. You'll be prompted to create a new email. Give it a name like Welcome Email. Use the drag and drop email builder to design your email's layout by adding elements such as your logo, some engaging text, images, and a call to action button. Remember to warmly greet your subscribers and preview what they're going to gain from your emails. To ensure your emails flow naturally, you'll want to insert a delay between them. Click the plus icon again, navigate to Conditions and Workflow, and select Wait. Choose how long you want to pause before sending the next email, like waiting 1 or 2 days. This helps maintain a steady pace in communication with your audience. As you build your automation, you might want to add more emails or actions. Consider options such as sending a follow-up email, adding a tag like Engage Subscriber, splitting contacts into groups for A/B tests, or even moving them to another automation. For example, you might set up your flow like this. Welcome email, wait 1 day, share value email, wait 2 days, send offer email, then end automation. Personalization is key to making emails feel more like one-on-one communication. Use the tag %first name % in your subject lines or greetings to address your contacts by name. Additionally, set up if-else conditions to vary email content based on contact behavior. For instance, if a contact opens email 1, you can send email 2A. If not, send a reminder with email 2B. Before making your automation live, it's crucial to test everything. Use the test feature or run a test contact through your sequence. Verify that emails are being sent correctly, that delays are functioning as intended, and that personalization and links are working seamlessly. Once you're satisfied that everything is perfect, activate your automation by toggling Active in the top right corner. Your campaign will now autonomously manage itself, sending emails to new contacts